Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to go over the basics of the text tool, how to add text to our composition. So in a future tutorial we can go over the text tool, the character tab, and the paragraph tab all in greater detail. Like most things in Adobe After Effects, there are multiple ways to add text to a composition. The first way to get text into your composition is to click the text tool in the toolbar, click into your composition, and then you can type your title like that. The next way that you can add a title is to click into the Layer drop-down menu. From here you can click New, Text, create a new text layer. So let's just type this. Another way is to right-click in the Layers section down here, and again, New, Text. We'll just drag this one into a different location. And I think the quickest way to add a title to your project is to hit Control-T, click into your composition, and then type your title. In our next tutorial, we'll be going over the paragraph and character tabs in great detail so that you can see different ways that you can adjust and edit your text. Thanks for watching.